Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a Hago account or how to sign up for a Hago app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I have already installed Hago app from my Play Store. You can also get to an App Store or Play Store. After that, tap on it to open it. You are onto the very first section of the Hago app itself, but you're not logged in. So to simply get logged in and to create one account, all you have to do is tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile. Then tap on this login and claim option, which is the trickiest part to do to simply get logged in or create one account. Tap on it. Now you can log in with Facebook, with Google, or with your phone number. Today I am going to sign up and create an account with the Google. So I am going to tap on this Google icon. Then choose one of the Google account that you want to use. I'll choose one. You can see that I am being logged in by simply tapping on it, and then it has been registered in another product or service of their company. So to link to account, all I have to do is tap on this OK option. Yes, I have a name, and now I can keep a birth date, choose my birth year with the birth month and then the birth date, just like this. And I'm done. Tap on this confirm option next to cancel. Now I can choose my gender, either I'm a male or a female. I'll choose female, and then I have an option of keeping my profile picture as well or changing my name as well. So I will keep it my own name, that is Alexa Gill, and tap on this profile icon and choose from the gallery and allow to access through my gallery. I'll choose one picture from the gallery, just like this, and then manage it and tap on choose option on the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see when I'm done, I can tap on this done option, and yes, finally I have been logged in through my Google account and I've created this account with the name Alexa Gill. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an account for a Hago or sign up for a Hago app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.